Hi babies, Mstoofine here. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. So today I want to do the small YouTuber tag. I started YouTube over 3 years ago, and I have this tag. I did record it, but I want to do it over since that makeup was so long ago, you know, and my face looking fresh now. So it's 20 quick questions, so I'm just going to run into it and be done in a jiffy. So let's just get right into the questions. So the first question is, sorry if you hear any noise in the background, the kids are out to play, and after this video because my face is looking bomb. Like the Juvia's Place foundation is just doing its thing. So yeah, let me stop the rambling and just get into the video. By the way, if you're wondering what this is, I killed a bug, and I guess it has some defense mechanism, and it sprayed out on me. And when I went to the bathroom, I was like, what's that smell? Okay, it was what sprayed out on me, and I wipe it off, and this is what's left of that bug. So you know who won't be killing another bug, especially that bug? Me. So yeah, that's that. So the first question is thing you cannot, so I guess it's a thing you cannot leave the house without. Okay, so I would say my chapstick. Off late I've been using lip gloss, but my chapstick. So even if my makeup is not done, I have to move now. So even if my makeup is not done, I will put on my chapstick because my lips, it does get dry sometimes. The second question is a favorite makeup brand. I don't have a favorite. Like I love some stuff and I hate some stuff. I don't have a favorite brand. Like I just use what really works for me. So the third question is a favorite flower. So my favorite flower, you know what's funny? I don't have a favorite flower. I don't even love flowers. Like maybe you should get some flowers.
You're a chocolate girl. I don't like to eat chocolate.
Right, I'm a chocolate girl. I don't love flowers, so I don't have a favorite flower. You're not in the video. You're not in the video. The life of living in a studio, you don't have any space at all. Like I need my own makeup studio. I can't wait to have my own studio. Oh my god. So the next question, which is number 4, your favorite clothing store. To be honest with you, Fashion Nova is my favorite clothing store right now because that's legit where I shop. And got this. I love that jumpsuit. Yeah, sorry you guys can't see my outfit, but yeah, Fashion Nova to the rescue, legit all the time. That's all I wear these days. The 5th question is your favorite perfume. I wear a lot more Victoria's Secret spray than perfume, but I had this fragrance I loved so much, DKNY. I don't know how expensive it is right now, but I really loved that cologne perfume. So the next one is number 6, which is heels or flats. So flats because I used to play netball. When I left high school, I was a captain's in, so I started playing for my company, and I got injured and I sprained my right ankle. It hasn't been the same since. Like every time I walk in heels, I get a pain in the inner section whenever I take the heel off, and so I just don't wear heels anymore. And so now I'm in the process of trying to wear heels, but flats is my fave. It's way more comfortable anyways. So the next question is, do you make good grades? When I was in school, yes. I'm not going to school now, so in high school I have a fairly good grade. I graduated with 5 2s, 1 3 and a 4. Yeah, that's pretty good enough for me. My favorite color, babe, what's my favorite color? What's my favorite color? Comment it in the comment section if you know my favorite color. My favorite color is purple. do you drink energy drinks? I do. I love Boom. I love what's that thing called? Red Bull. I love Red Bull. I do drink is Arizona a certain name? I think that's an energy drink too. I do. So do you drink juice? You know what's funny, I drink juice, but I do prefer water. So yeah, I'm a water girl. Is that weird? I do drink a lot of water. Do you like swimming? I love swimming. As you guys can tell from my vlogs, I love swimming. Next question is, which is number 12. Do you eat fries with a fork? 9 times out of 10, no. I use my fingers. And you know, I don't know if it's just me, but I love to eat my fries with mayonnaise and ketchup. Yes, the fat girl life. Like, I love mayonnaise and ketchup. Fingers will do, please. So what's my favorite moisturizer? You know what's sad about this? I don't moisturize. I am in the process of, you know, having this whole skincare routine, because I need to be looking bomb when, you know, I hit 40, 50. My skin should be looking flawless. So I'm definitely gonna be working on a skincare routine. So shout out to I Am Kendall. I got a toner and a moisturizer, so when I start, you know, that whole process, I'll definitely keep you guys posted. So the next question is number 14. Do you want to get married later on in life? I do. And you know, a lot of persons ask me, your boyfriend not gonna propose to you? We have had the conversation countless times. He knows I want to get married. I know he wants to get married, and I did told him from the beginning, do not propose to me until you are ready to propose. And so the minute he pops the question, I'll know for sure that he's truly ready. So yes, I do see myself married in the future, you know, have my family and all that, own a house, yeah, all that jazz. So number 15 is, do you get mad easily? Listen, my fuse short. No, I get upset really easily, and that's so annoying, but I do get upset easily. Are you in ghost hunting? Am I in ghost hunting? Like, no. First of all, I hate watching scary movies, so I don't know how I would be ghost hunting. That's not a thing. Any phobias? I hate frogs. You know, they say that, you know, if you try to kill the frog have something in its back that can spit on you, and so I don't want a frog near me. Honestly, I don't want no frog near me. And that's the Jamaican side. The English translation is what did I say? The English the translation for that is, I hate frogs. I don't want any frogs around me. Number 18 is, do you bite your nails? I do, but it's not as bad as you can see. So it's not as bad as you can see. So the next question is, have you ever had a near-death experience? So I think the closest to death would be, woo! Oh my god. And the closest I've been to near death is, I was in an accident when I was leaving college one night. I used to go to a college after work, and so the battery I blink. Yeah, that's the closest, aside from me trying to hang myself, which that never made no sense, because it just that couldn't hang me, honestly. It couldn't. And so the last question is, do you drink coffee? I love coffee, but guess what, I'm really trying to stop drinking the coffee because it's messing with my teeth, and so I'm really trying to break out of that, but I do love coffee. So that pretty much wraps up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you learned something new about me, and yeah, don't forget to follow me on my social media if you aren't following me. You know, keep up with me. That's where I post most of my stuff and give you guys updates. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye baby.